Dear students, yesterday we have discussed some basic things about correlation. Yesterday I have given formula also. Today I am going to solve a practical problem, and after solving that practical problem I will send a question and you need to answer them. See, two variables are there. The relationship between two variables is called as a correlation. Yesterday we have come to know that. If you have not watched my yesterday's video, please go and watch that video. Two variables they have given, x and y. These are the values of x and y. So what was our formula? Our formula n sigma uv minus into bracket sum of u again into bracket sum of v divided by whole root of n sigma u square minus into bracket sum of u whole square, and n sum of v square minus into bracket v whole square. As per this formula, first of all we have to calculate u and v. So what I have told you yesterday, the deviation taken from x from the assumed mean is called as u, and the deviation taken from y from the assumed mean is called as v. See, x is here, assumed mean, whatever the value you can take out of this, whatever the value you take. So possibly you have to take the most minimum value, because we don't want to deal with the negative value. So therefore let us take a minimum value. In this problem he has taken different value, he has taken 170, but we need to take minimum value. Out of this, the minimum value is 164. This is our assumed mean, and in this assumed mean we have to deduct x, from the x we have to deduct this assumed mean. 164 minus 164, it will be 0. 176 minus 164, whatever the value comes you have to write here. 178 minus 164, like this. Previously you have done this deviation you have taken, right? And now let us calculate v. V is nothing but deviation taken from y from the assumed mean. So in this y we have to take a value which is the most minimum one. So most minimum one is 156. So from this 156, from these all y's we have to deduct 156. 158 minus 156, 164 minus 156, the v value should be written here. So after that we have to take the square root of u and v. As per this problem, 6 into 6 36, 6 into 6 again 36, like this. V, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, right? Like this you have to do. And after that we have to multiply u and v. This is u, this is v. 6 into 2 12, like this, right? So after doing this table work, we have to take the total of all of them, u, v, u square, v square and uv. After taking the total of all these, we can apply this formula now. N sigma uv, here n sigma uv, it is 356. He has written 356. That should be multiplied by n, that means number of observations. 8 observations are there. 8 observations are there, that should be multiplied by 8. N is 8. Sum of uv is equal to 356 minus sum of u into bracket. Sum of u is 475. Here also sum of u is 37. He has taken 37. That should be multiplied by sum of v. Sum of v is 29. He has taken 29. That should be divided by whole root of first bracket. First bracket relates to u, n sigma u square. Here n is 8. Sum of u square is equal to 475. He has taken 475 minus into bracket sum of u whole square. Sum of u is 37. Let us take the whole square of that. This is first bracket which relates to u, and another bracket is there which relates to v. First let us take n sigma v square. N is 8. Sum of u v square is equal to 281. 281 has taken minus into bracket sum of v whole square. Sum of v whole square, v is equal to 29. Let us take the whole square of that. So after simplifying that one, so the numerator comes 1775, denominator comes 24 into 2431 into 1407. So after making simplification of this, we get the value of 0.9598. This is the final answer. This is the degree of correlation between x and y. So here he has taken assumed mean as 170 and 160, but we take the most minimum value. So dear students, watch this video repeatedly and I will send some problems, so you have to solve them. When I start my next class, I will be sending my video in which I have solved the problem. Thank you.